Okay, here we go, kiddos. Last video for the topic 7 review for the test, chapter 7 test tomorrow, summer school, semester 2. Okay, first slide here, they want you to be able to do some calculating of the slopes. Remember, the product of their slopes equaling -1 is the same thing as opposite sign reciprocal. So let's just say, for instance, I have a slope of 2/3, and the perpendicular slope would be -3/2. If I was to multiply these two slopes together, watch what happens. So the 2's cancel, become 1. The 3's cancel, become 1. I'm left with -1. That's what they're talking about for the product of the slopes equaling -1. An easy way to refresh it or say it in your brain is opposite sign reciprocal for the slopes. So let's check out line 1 and line 2 here. They look perpendicular, but are they? Let's see, -4 minus 2 is -6. 4 minus a -5 is going to be +9. That reduces down to -2/3. Over here, -5 minus 4 is -9. And -1 minus 5 is -6. That reduces to 3/2. Are those opposite sign reciprocal? Ding, 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 ding. Yes, I think that would be the right answer. I'm not sure if your graph is going to be the same on the review, so make sure you're doing the same analysis. Okay, next, we have to do a little bit of review back from semester 1. Write the equation of the line that's parallel to this line that goes through this point. So let's use point slope. Y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. And then, I don't know if it wants it in slope-intercept form, but we'll leave it like this. So parallel means the same exact slope. So our slope is going to be -2. And they give us a point. So x minus the x coordinate and y minus the y coordinate. So our line would be very simply -2 times x minus 3. And just for giggle's sake, if they wanted this in slope-intercept form, I'm not sure what the test will see. Maybe you could put in both. So distribute -2x plus 6, and then add 4 to both sides. Your line would be y equals -2x plus 10. All right, last question for the review. Take a good look at this drawing. Yikes. Could you pick out the slopes? Could you calculate the slope of all those lines? What if they're asking if Q and V are parallel? Q and V. They look parallel. Do I calculate the slope? Yes, it wants you to calculate the slope of both those. So again, take a good look at this drawing. You might see it again. Okay, that's it for this video.